Hello, good morning. This is Janpha Thadphoothon. And what I'm doing now is showing you what we can do with a Dialogflow chatbot. A chatbot has been used in many industries like business, uh, technology. But what I'm doing now is using a Dialogflow technology to create a simple chatbot uh, for English language learning. You can say that it's an ELT chatbot. And even though there are many chatbots for English language learning, but mine is different. DPUX is a chatbot that we can use uh, to serve the purpose of English language learning. So I'm going to show you what we can do with this particular technology. On the screen, you can see the dialog flow panel. You can see here the description says that a chatbot for enjoyment and language learning, design and program not much actually by me, Janpha Thadphoothon. And this is the what we call the frame where you can actually interact. So I will try to do it. Let's try to say something to the bot. Hi. You can see that when I say hi, uh, this is a speech to text technology. When I say hi, the what we call the software actually register the sound and then transform the sound hi into the text. And what happened is that the bot has actually the AI technology has actually respond to the greeting. Good day. You can even listen to it. You see, very interesting, right? So I say hi, and the machine say, okay. So I'm gonna say something. I have a question. So you see, when I say I have a question, the machine or the DPUX simply say, sure, what is your question? The thing is that you can listen as often as you can because this is something that uh, chatbots can do better than us human being. We are a biological being, but the chatbot is like a machine, so it can actually do well in computing and repetitive tasks like this. So what is your question? So I will ask them something like, what's your name? You see my pronunciation is very accurate. And you see the answer from the machine, from DPUX. You see, I'm a chatbot. You can call me whatever you like. Okay. Um, you can ask them something like, who is your master? I mean, who is your boss? Something like that. Yeah, this is the answer. You can even type, yes. You can confirm, you know. Well, so the thing is that you can actually ask them about many things, like Thailand. Uh, or what's your favorite color? Well, the capital city of China, Beijing. I will ask them something about, do you have any hobbies? Okay, many of you will say that, oh, this is not natural. Uh, this is just, a repetitive practice. But my answer to that is that AI and the Dialogflow technology or Chatbot technology is getting better every day. I mean, every second. The intelligence of the machine is improving. So sooner or later, it will be able to interact using natural language processing capacity to interact with us. Okay, so what I can say is that is a viable technology that we English language or ELT professionals cannot overlook. Okay, you can ask them all sorts of things. Do you know Thailand? Well, what's the capital city of Thailand? I'm not sure whether my bot will know. You see, if you don't know, if Hmm. And the thing about the bot is that it can help you uh, actually prepare some lessons. For example, you can ask them about grammar. What is grammar? Well, you can. Uh, what is a noun? Oh, where do you live? Can I borrow your money? Well, no, it's kind of useful for small talk, for practicing the language form and language functions within limited parameter, within the scope that you or as a teacher need to make your decision in narrowing the scope of the interaction. But generally, a chatbot can talk to you, uh, you know, on various topics. Okay, this is a dialogue flow technology that you can use to enhance language learning. Okay, it's not a bad tool, and I'm using DPUX with my student and programming it, adding a bodies of knowledge into my my the library, you know. And as you can see, the bot can actually talk about Thailand, like who's the Prime Minister of Thailand? Oh, hmm. What's the population of Thailand? Well, I'm still. Well, you have to teach them, you see. And can you swim? You can ask them something like this. Anyway, Dialogflow chatbot is pretty useful for us to use it for the purpose of practicing the oral interaction as well as the grammar, vocabulary, and we can ask them to do many things. You can even ask them what is today's date. Let's see if it's no. You see? Okay, this precision is very exciting. Uh, what are you doing? You see? You can ask them something to text to speech or text to speech to text. Mm. May I borrow your money? You can ask them. Hmm. Okay, you can program a chatbot to interact with people like this. So I'll leave you with the uh, possibilities to think about the possibilities we English language teachers can do with chatbot technology. Um, I I will continue to develop the my DPUX dialog flow chatbot for language learning purpose. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Janpha channel. You will have access to many videos. The purpose of the channel is to, uh, to help you learn and use the English language better. Thank you for watching.